Hi, so today we're going to be covering pronouns. What are pronouns and how do we use them? Hi, so today we're going to be covering pronouns. What are pronouns and how do we use them? So first off, what is a pronoun? So here's the technical definition of a pronoun. But basically what a pronoun is a word that replaces the noun of the sentence. So there's different types of pronouns. There's subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns, and we're going to cover all of those today. So first off, subject pronouns. So what is a subject pronoun? So it's just as the name of it sounds, a pronoun that takes place of a noun as the subject of a sentence. So some examples down here are he sat down to tie his shoe. So he would be the subject pronoun of the sentence. We gave them a head start in the race. It is raining again. And over here you can see some other examples of subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, moving on. All right, so now we have object pronouns. So an object pronoun functions as the object of a verb or preposition. So already in our first example, we have a subject pronoun, which is he, which we just covered. So he begged her to live with him. So her is the object of the verb begged, and him is the object of the preposition with. All right, next example, she saw him at the coffee shop. So him is the object of saw. So him is the object pronoun. And right here you can see me, you, him, her, and so on. Those are some other examples of object pronouns. All right, let's erase this. Okay. Possessive pronouns. So a possessive pronoun is a part of speech that shows ownership to someone or something. And this one, it's not exactly in the name as much as the other ones, but you can think of ownership. Someone's possessing something, someone's owning something. So when you're saying, this is my dog, it's mine. So the word mine is the possessive pronoun because you're saying, it's mine, that's my dog. The next example, this is our car. So it's ours. So next example, if you walk up to someone and you say, this isn't my hat, is it yours? Yours would be the possessive pronoun. And here are some examples of other possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, and so on. And I have the full chart of these pronouns at the end that I'll show. Okay, so reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the object is the same as the subject. So some examples are, I always clean the house myself. Nobody helps me. So myself is the reflexive pronoun. She blames herself for crashing the car. So herself is the reflexive pronoun. We will enjoy ourselves at the party. So ourselves is the reflexive pronoun. So I have some reflexive pronouns here on the side. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, and so on. Okay, so I'll erase this here. So here's a full chart of all of the pronouns that we covered today, examples of the pronouns we covered today. So we have our subject pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, reflexive pronouns, myself, yourself, himself, object pronouns, me, you, him, her, and so on. All right, homework. So the homework for today will be these two worksheets that I am about to hand out. But you can take a look at these worksheets and go over them as I hand them out. And this will be your homework to take home, and it will